Welcome, guys. It's been a while here. Today, we are going to be learning how to design an online banking website using one of the most powerful scripts that we just launched. This script has a whole lot of functionalities, as you're going to find out shortly. Some of these scripts, sometimes it is host sensitive. So, in the description below, I'm still going to be recommending to you the hosting that you're going to be using to have the most out of this script. And if you want the script, you can also contact the number in the description below to get the script. I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get straight to the business of the day because the video is going to do justice to what I'm saying here. As usual, one of my team members, Daniel Ajayi, is going to do justice to this particular tutorial. Thank you very much, and let's get started immediately.
So here is how your website is going to look like immediately you are done watching this tutorial, and see how beautiful the interface is. Hello, my name is Daniel and I'm recording this video on behalf of the Web Oracle team. Alright, so in this video I will be showing you how to install another banking website, and this time around you are going to love what you see. Okay, so for you to be able to start building this kind of website, you need to have access to your cPanel, just like I have it. And for you to access your cPanel, you can make use of some hosting company. We have Namecheap, we have Hostinger, we have others. But we would advise that you reach out to us for us to give you a link to the hosting account that we have tried this kind of script with, or this kind of website with. Alright, without wasting time, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create a notepad to fill in your details. Yes, so that you don't lose any details while creating the website. So you can see the DB name, the DB user, database user, DB password, the website name, website URL. List them just like this. Okay. So the website name is Capital Trust Fund. Yes, so the website URL, you can just copy the website URL here. Let me just go back to the notepad and paste it here. Yes, so that's that. Follow me. Then the first thing we need to do is to create an email account. Let me open this in a new tab. We need to create an email account. All right. We also need to come back here. We also still need to upload the file. I'm going to go to File Manager and also open that. So that is loading. I will also come and open my database. I'm just going to come here. All right. So this is loading. This is also loading. So now this is the email account that we tried to click on. So I'm just going to tap on create here. Then I'm going to choose my preferred email. Then here I'm just going to generate a password. No, I don't like that. I don't like this. Okay. I think I love this. So don't forget, we need to save this somewhere, the website email password. Then the email, I'm just going to click create. Yeah, so once that is done, all I need to do is to copy this. We are going to need it later. I'm going to copy this and then I am going to paste this. All right. So the webmail URL is always the domain name / webmail. Yes, that's how to access the webmail. All right. So the next thing we need to do is to go and upload the script that would make this banking website work. Okay. So yeah, I'm just going to click on upload. But before that, this script that we're about to upload is what makes you to be able to create this banking website. All right. So for you to get that script, you need to reach out to us to get that script. and the link to get through to us or to get the script will be in the comments down below this video. All right, so let's proceed. Let's click on upload. Then I'm going to click select file. That means I want to select this script from my laptop. So I'm just going to select the script. Here it is, Alpha Bank. Then it's going to start uploading. So you can see it's uploading. All right, so while it is uploading, I would like to do other stuff. So let's go back to our database. I also clicked on manage my database the other time. So this is where you create database. So I'm just going to input anything. You can input any name you like as long as the ones that this can contain. Then you put it there and then you click on create database. So this is going to create my database. Then don't forget you need to copy it. This is the database name. Copy it and click go back. Then I will go back to my notepad and paste this. Yeah. So I'm going to come back here, scroll down, come to where I have database users, admin users, and I'm just going to open this box again. Then I'm going to put anything I also want, and I'm going to generate a password. I'm going to click on password generator, copy this password, then click this and click use password. So once again, you need to click create user. So I'm just going to come back here again and paste the password here. All right, so this has created. I'm going to copy this also and go back to my notepad and also paste it. That is the reason why you need to make sure you're saving this. So let me just save the file so that I don't lose the details. All right, so that is that. Then you are not done here. We still have one more thing to do here. Then you come to where you have add user to database. Then you click on the database user and the database name you created, and then you click on add. So clicking on add is going to bring a pop-up to your face. Yeah, just like this. Then you need to select all privileges, and then you need to scroll down and click on make changes. Yeah, that is done. So let's go back to our file. By now we should have our file. So until it turns green, do not click anything. I'm just going to click on go back. So follow me calmly. You need to tap on this. You need to right click and click on extract. So you need to extract the details of this script. All right, so I'm going to click on close, and automatically it has been extracted. And you need to enter into this folder, this Alpha Bank folder. Double tap it. Ensure you come here and click on settings. Make sure you are clicking show hidden files. Click on save. Still inside that, click on select all. Click on move, and then erase this Alpha Bank. Erase the folder until you have just public HTML. Then you click on move files. So once you click on move files, all you need to do is just click on up one level, and you are back to public HTML, and all your files are here. So for you to now start editing this, because right now this website is not going to work yet. So the first thing you need to do now is to come here, USS Core, go into USS Core, and you see this connect.php folder. So you're just going to click on edit, and then you also click on edit once more. And here we have, this is where we are going to fill the database you just created right here. Right here, sorry, for server host, right? This is for local host if you are test running. But for server host, this is where you are going to fill it right here. So I'm just going to copy the database information. So make sure you save your database details somewhere you can access it. So let me just copy this. So for the database password, I'm going to put this. For the database name, I'm going to put this. And for the database user, I'm going to put what I copied. Yes, that shortcut is called Windows and V. Windows V is going to bring out everything you have copied. All right. So that is that. You need to make sure you are doing the right thing. You are filling the right thing. If not, this script is not going to work. All right. So I am just going to click this save changes. I'm going to click save changes, and I'm going to click close. All right. So we still have one more thing to do. And after extracting this, we need to install our SQL file, our database file. All right. So for you to get your database file is right inside this format, USS Modus. So once you go into USS Modus, you are going to see this file, alphabank.sql. So you can just right click and download it. Right. This is downloaded inside my laptop already, so you can see that. So all you need to do now is to come back here and search for phpMyAdmin. So I'm going to open this in a new tab, phpMyAdmin. Don't forget phpMyAdmin. You tap on that and then it's going to bring you here. All right, so now the PHP admin has loaded. You need to make sure you are clicking on the database you created because you need to upload a file. So you have to click on Capital Vision, which is the database I created. All right. So once you click on it, you are going to have an empty table like this, and all you need to do is to click on import. What you need to do is to click on import, and then you click on choose file. Once you have clicked choose file, you need to go into what you just downloaded inside that script. There is this SQL file. You can see not the main script, the SQL file we downloaded. You tap on it, and then once it is here, you need to come down and click import. You need to come down and click import. So this will take some few seconds to be imported. So you can see it is saying import has been successfully executed. So you can see now we have all these details right here. Right, so we are almost done, and we need to still come back here and search for multi-PHP. Don't forget what we search for earlier is phpMyAdmin, but right now we need to search for multi-PHP manager, because this script actually runs on PHP version 7.4. So multi-PHP manager, then we are going to look for multi-PHP manager 7.4. So I'm going to make sure we tick this, and then we come here and then we select 7.4. All right, so right now it's 7.4, and if everything has been done well for now, if everything has been done well, if we visit our website, we should have it done. We should have it displaying the script already. So let's try that out. All right, so you can see it is loading, which means that we've been able to install this script successfully. So you can see that the logo, we have to change the logo, the name, everything will be explained shortly. As you can see, everything, you can see how beautiful it's already looking. So let us complete the registration. All right, so for now, we have nothing else to do inside the script. You have nothing else to do inside the script, unless if you want to add your live chat code, which you can do, and just enter public HTML, go to USS Modus. Let me do that so that the question on how to add your live chat would not be an issue. You come inside USS Modus, you come inside USS Bank, then you come into Bank Home, you come into View. What a long journey. Then you come into header.php. So you paste that smart code chat, that live chat, inside header.php. Any free space you see inside is where you paste the code. And so for now, we have nothing to do inside this header.php or inside the cPanel. So what we need to do is to access the admin. Right, so for the admin, we are just going to copy these. Let's leave it like this, and then you have to put slash. You need to put /admin. Which I am going to click in right now, and the admin portal is going to load. Here, as you can see, the admin portal has loaded. So let us proceed. So for the default password, it is going to be in the README file. I'm going to leave it in the README file. I'm just going to create a README file inside the website script, inside the website details. So when you install the script, you are going to see a file like this, readme.csv. You can see this readme.txt is where I'm going to put the login details. The login details that you can use to access the admin. I am going to put it right inside. Right. So let me just write it now. All right. So I'm just going to click on login, and then you can see login successful into the admin dashboard. Right. So it's loading. It is going to load. Yeah. Done. So you can see automatically this is the admin dashboard where you can control deposit, debit of any user and all of that. All right. So I am going to show you some few other stuffs you can do from here as the user of this website. So for you to run some few settings, all you need to do is to come to configure. You need to do is to come to configure. You can set the account type and the transfer codes. But let's start with tools for now. Come to tools and come to settings, because this is where you set the logo, you set the site, SMTP email, and all that stuff. All right. So let's do that now. I'm just going to tap on email. All right. So once you've tapped on tools and then you tap on settings, you can see the first thing you need to do is the admin email. This is what we use to send email to your users. So you need to come and, the one we created earlier, you just have to copy that, you paste it right here. Then you can leave this. You have to leave this. Okay. Then the SMTP option, you need to click on use default. And this is one of the reasons why I said you need to reach out to us for us to give you a link to where we got the hosting we're using for this tutorial, so that you can just follow everything you are doing straight up and no need for confusion. Right. So once you go to use default custom settings, you are going to have something like this. So what you need to do is to just copy your domain name. Yeah. To make it fast, just copy your domain name here. Then the SMTP server, you just have to use mail dot your domain name. Yes, just like this, add your domain name. Then the username is your email. Let me just copy this. The username is your email. All right. Then the password, you have to go and copy the password we created, which is this one. You have to paste it here. Then the SMTP port is 465. Then the SMTP security is XSL. All right. So I'm going to click on Save Changes. Yeah. So once you've done that, you need to come to Settings again. Just come to Tools. Then you tap on Settings again. Then we have done email. We come to General Logo and Site Name. This is where you put the logo you want to use for the whole site. We're just going to tap on Change Icon. I'm going to tap on Change Icon, and then I'm going to use the logo for the website, which is this. Yeah. Then for the site name, I'm just going to change that. So let me just copy that because I'm going to use it a couple of times. So welcome to, I'll put this there. I'm going to put this. I'm going to clean this. So I'm just going to, can put random stuffs here. All right. So I'm just going to scroll down, put the phone number. You can decide to put anything you want. All right. Then here you click on Save Changes, and automatically this logo is going to change, and the details on the website is also going to change. All right. Everything is going to change. So you can see the logo has changed. And if you go to the main website, the logo and the name would have changed. All right. So that is that. So we still need to come to settings again. Then users, login, permissions, and everything. So collect username and sign up, send confirmation to email to users, send confirmation email to users after registration. So users will need to confirm their email before they can sign in. You can turn that on. You can enable affiliate program. You can prevent users from updating their email. You can send confirmation email on every email update. The first registration role member, of course, that's the member, automatically delete unconfirmed account after 7 days. It's left to you. And you can also temporarily disable sign up. Right. So for this website, we need to send email confirmation. is left to you. So you can turn that on, send confirmation email to users after registration. Then you click on save changes, and that is that. All right, that is that. That is how to create that. So if you want to credit a user, you just need to come to users, manage users, and then you edit the user and credit or debit the user anyhow you want that. And so this is how to install this script. This is how to install this script. So if we visit the website now, let's visit the website. You will see that all the changes also have been effected right there. So you can see the logo, everything has been effected. You can see everything has been effected. Everything is now working perfectly. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. And like I said, if you need the script, how to get it, it is actually below this video. You have to reach out to us to get the script that can make you perform transactions and create a banking website like this. And also, you can get your hosting. You just make sure the hosting uses SQL for their database. Make sure you can use 7.4 PHP version. And for peace of mind, it is necessary that you reach out to us for you to give you a link to the hosting you can use. The one we use for this website that is making it work perfectly. You can reach out to us so that we can share you a link and then you get your hosting directly from the hosting company. Thank you and see you some other time.